How to change city on Citymapper app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change city on the Citymapper application. For this, open the Citymapper app. If you don't have this application, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, if you want to change your city on this application, follow these simple steps. Step 1 is to tap on the gear icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now your settings will be displayed. Here you can find your current city over here. If you want to switch cities, tap on the switch city option. Now you will have to pick a city. As you can see, these are the cities available in Citymapper application. You can either scroll down manually and find your city, or you can also tap on the search bar and then type in the key letters. Once you have found your city, tap on it. Now, as you can see, your city has been changed, and this is how you can change your city on Citymapper app. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.